There's something incredibly satisfying about homemade caramel popcorn. It is sweet, buttery, crunchy, and honestly tastes even better than store-bought versions. If you have ever wondered how to make perfectly coated caramel popcorn that stays crispy, then you are in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to make delicious homemade caramel popcorn using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Whether you are making it for a movie night, a family gathering, or you're just craving a sweet snack, this recipe is definitely worth trying. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need popcorn, granulated sugar, some vegetable oil, turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, and butter. The first thing we are going to do is prepare our popcorn. I'll put a pot on the stove and place my corn in it. Then I'll add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I'll allow it to heat up, and once it starts to pop, I'll add a teaspoon of water to it. This water makes the corn to pop well. Once I'm done popping the corn, I'll transfer it into a large mixing bowl. Make sure you remove any unpopped kernels because nobody wants to bite into it later. Then I'll set it aside and prepare the caramel sauce. Place a saucepan or a frying pan over medium heat and add sugar. Make sure you spread the sugar evenly in the frying pan. Allow the sugar to melt gradually. At this stage, patience is important. Avoid stirring excessively because this can cause the sugar to crystallize. Continue heating until all the sugar has melted and turned into a beautiful golden amber color. Be careful not to overcook it because caramel can burn quickly. Once the caramel reaches that amber color, carefully add the butter. The mixture will bubble up immediately, which is completely normal. Keep stirring continuously until the butter is fully incorporated and the caramel becomes smooth and glossy. Now add a pinch of salt to it. Then transfer the caramel sauce into a smaller bowl. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Your support helps my channel to grow and allow me to keep sharing new recipes with you. Now, carefully pour the hot caramel over the popcorn. Work quickly because the caramel will begin to set as it cools. Using a spatula or a spoon, gently toast the popcorn until every piece is coated in that rich caramel goodness. Add in some turmeric powder just to add an extra flavor. Then continue mixing so that everything blends together. Look at that bright yellow color. And that is how easy it is to make homemade caramel popcorn. Wow, it was perfectly crunchy, buttery and sweet, and every bite was satisfying. This is the kind of snack that is impossible to stop eating once you start. If you make it, let me know how it turns out. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining our food-loving family. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.